Going on, guys? I haven't made a video in like a while actually. I don't know, like half a week. So I didn't record the fireworks shopping, but we did buy some. So these are the ones that my parents bought. So they got bait. Oops, they got beta hook, king something, god of fire, machine gun shot, mighty cobra, and then 2 missile packs. Oh, and then they also got a Niagara Falls assortment. Today I went shopping for some more smoke bombs, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But now we're gonna go look at what I bought. I didn't buy that much because I didn't want to spend all my money. I only spent like 85 bucks or something. So what I got was everything was buy one get one free. So I got Chinatown red snap crackers, some sparklers for a sparkler bomb. These are free. A case of Whistling Moon Travelers with report. 2 packs of the colored pearl Roman candles. Then the Phantom assorted candles. So that's like a whole bunch of different ones in there. Some little smoke balls. These are good. Like you can take like 4 of them apart, put them all in one big one. And then I got 2 things of the Festive Balls mortar kit, and then I got the Festive Balls mortar kit, and then I got 2 packs of the Silver Salute crackers, and then I also got 40 feet of wick. Like you can just, I don't know, just light it and pretend, and like put it in a paper roll, pretend like it's a bomb or something. Or what I like to do, I like to cut them in the 1-inch sections, and you wait till it's like almost to your fingertips, and you throw it up in the air and it shoots off. Hopefully you guys will be able to see. Get the grill ready for some beer brats. Alright, so you guys, maybe like more in the corner you can see, but it's still kind of smoky back in here. Before, let's see, you probably couldn't even see. You can see the smoke going past right now, actually. You couldn't even see to that door. That's like 5 feet away. So I got some. These are 3 for 99 cents. Smoke grenade. Look like this. They lasted pretty long, almost like 30 seconds probably. And then I got like 12 of those. And then I got 4 2-minute smoke screen. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, but up in my room I also have a 3-minute one, and it's like as wide as that, but it's like 3 times as high. So here's the rest of them right here. Let's see. Light one of these guys off for you real quick. If I can find my matches. Got a lighter right there, but it broke. I don't see my matches anywhere. Just light it over the fire, I guess. I mean, they're pretty good for 3 for 99 cents. They usually last long. Yeah, they're still going. They usually last longer than that. Those 2-minute ones didn't quite last 2 minutes, but you know, they're still worth it. So I'll see you guys. I'll record them when we shoot them all off. But right now, see you guys later.